Hello, meme hunters. Your game master CJ here with a quick tutorial of how we're using Vocalize for our Meme Millionaire Treasure Hunt. So, in short, Vocalize is this cool app that allows you to speak a unique phrase into it, and then a website will open up. So, how we're going to use it is you speak the answer to the meme clue that you're given into Vocalize, and then the next clue will pop up in a hidden web page. The first step is installing the app on your phone. So go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Vocalize. You can see the logo here in case you just want to see what it looks like, so you can click on it very easily, install it, and accept the defaults. Don't worry, there's no ads in the app. We're just using it for our contest. So let's use this example here. Let's take a look at our friend Paulie D from Jersey Shore. The clue says Tony Danza is not the boss. Well, this is a New Jersey specific example. So if you're from New Jersey like me, you know that Tony Danza is not the boss, Bruce Springsteen is. So that's our answer, and that's what we want to speak into Vocalize. To trigger Vocalize, we have to tell either Google Assistant or Siri the phrase, find a phrase with Vocalize. It'll then ask us for the answer, and then we speak the answer. It's pretty simple. Let's try it out. Hey Siri, find a phrase with Vocalize. Bruce Springsteen. There you have it. That's the correct answer. We get our next meme clue. So, what if we say the wrong answer? What if we think Michael Scott is the boss? Let's give it a shot. Hey Siri, find a phrase with Vocalize. Michael Scott. So, if that's not the answer, Siri will give us a response that that phrase can't be found. So keep trying. That's it. Very simple way to continue on your meme hunt. Good luck, everybody. We're going to get back to hiding those locators and building our contest.